Come test drive the 2017 Impreza. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry. Inside you'll find backup camera, heated seats, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, cruise control, trip computer, power door locks, power windows, bucket seats, cloth upholstery. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.